Welcome to the vlog. We are heading down to RAF Furford. It's early morning. Well, it's not as early as it should have been. We're actually late. Getting on the road. Oh my god, I'm cramped in the car. I'm saying I'm cramped. Like, you want to see how I'm sitting? I've got stuffs on my knee.
Health and safety is not an issue. Yeah.
Health and safety is not an issue. Not an issue. Not an issue. It's not for the kids. It is for us. They're all fine. They're fine. I'm not fine. They're fine. He's fine. I'm not fine. I'm a little bit squished. Oh, look at my thumb all over the camera. You guys, you can tell I've not vlogged in a bit. So this is the beginning of the RIAT Furford 2022 vlog, which has been postponed for 2 years, 3 years now? 2 years. And this is the first year I'm camping there, so I'm really excited. I've been going to this since I was a little girl. If you don't know, it's the Royal International Air Tattoo, which is the biggest air show here in the UK, and we have aircraft from all over. Whether you're interested or not, whether you're one of my Gitanos or you're just here to watch me, just I hope you enjoy the vlog. Stick around, it's interesting. If you're interested in aircraft or not, hopefully it'll be a fun little vlog for you to watch. There'll be a mix. There'll be a mix, no doubt. It's just going to be a hot weekend, so it should be interesting. It should be fun, and I'm hoping to vlog as much as I can for you. And we're camping without electricity, proper camping. So I'm going to be vlogging all of this on my phone. So bear with me. The quality may not be the best. No microphone, just my phone. So just bear with me. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. It'll be fine. I've missed you guys. The music uploads are coming. They're slow. They're coming. We're getting there. But I'm super excited for this. Did I mention this is a tradition my dad started many years ago when I was a little girl, bringing me to this show. So I've been coming for years and years and years and years, so it means a whole lot to me, especially this year, coming up to the 1 year anniversary of his passing. So yeah, it means a whole lot. Okay, spend this weekend with us. Hope you enjoy the vlog, guys. So guys, here we are at the campsite. There are aircraft, as you can see. Loud aircraft. We just got the little shelter up for now. We're on the back fence. The air show has not started yet. Right now they're just warming up. But we're just about to pitch the tent. We're just about to pitch, ready for tomorrow. We're a nice low cloud base, so we've got some sun cover for pitching the tent right now. The actual airfield is over there. That was a nice catch. So yeah, just getting ready to pitch. Here's Donovan bringing lots of stuff out of the car behind me. Where is he? There he is. Behind me, getting the rest of the stuff out of the car. So we're going to pitch up and I'll show you the final results once we're finished.
More people. We're going to need more people first, Mum.
2 seconds.
A bit low.
Landing.
Just landing next to our tent. Just landing right next to our tent, that's all. That's all it is. Wow. So I am just show you guys what I have. I wish you guys could smell the aviation fuel. I know it sounds weird, but it's such an amazing smell. Just looking for my tent. Where's my tent? The kids are just off showering, doing what they need to do. We're just gonna have supper. Tent's all pitched. We're getting ready for tomorrow, which is the actual, so the aircraft are coming in tonight. Some have already been flying today. We saw the Doomsday plane come in. That was pretty awesome. Oh, I'm kind of lost. Hold on. So yeah, it's been really interesting so far, seeing what's coming in. Like I said, it's my first time camping here since I was a little girl. A lot's changed. You used to just kind of rock up and pitch up a tent right on the front of the, what's the word I'm trying to find, of the runway, like on the strip. But obviously times have changed since then. But I do remember sitting on top of that minibus with my dad getting burnt with aviation fuel in the sun. Good memories. But yeah, so it's health and safety. Things have changed. Oh, I see my tent. I think I see my tent. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be the main event. Gosh, it's full. Can you see? And this is only the main campsite, which is really close to the runway. The runway is over that way. Wait, no, I walked past my tent. Where's my tent? Oh my gosh, I think I walked past my tent. Donovan! He's going to be laughing his head off because I think I've walked past our tent. You guys, this is really embarrassing. I think I've walked past our tent. Oh my god, this is so funny. I'm not going to stop vlogging though because this is too funny to stop vlogging. I can't stop vlogging. I have to carry on vlogging the fact that I've walked past our tent and can't find it. I have to carry on vlogging. I've walked past our tent and I have to carry on vlogging. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I bet he's watching me. I bet all the neighbours are watching me. Yeah, I know they are. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. You know, your tent neighbours, I bet they're looking at me like, what's she doing? Put the camera down and you find your tent. Don't you hate that moment when you got that? Oh my gosh. Do you know what I mean? Do you know your tent neighbours? Oh god. I do this parking, I can't find my car. Oh, tent, I was saying. Where's my tent? Oh no, oh god, okay, I might have to put this down. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna have to, oh god, this is horrible. Okay, I'm gonna stop vlogging because I really can't find my tent. It's this one. The only reason I found it was because I spotted my little blue sun shelter, and yes, I walked all the way around the back of it and missed it twice. It's this one here, this antique one, this old one. This is our tent. This one was remote control, by the way, guys. That was remote control. This is ours. There's Donovan. I nearly had to call you. I'm vlogging. I got lost coming back.
No, you didn't.
No, I really did. I decided not to take it. I'm going to show you the footage back. I genuinely got lost. I didn't ring you though. I found it. I spotted the little blue tent and I found it. I'm such a dickhead.
Well, only you.
I know. Took my hat. No. Hi guys, this is the queue to get in the morning, to get into the actual. It's long, but it's much longer back there. Donovan, can you hold that up to show the vlog how long the queue is behind us? Give him a panoramic.
Lots and lots and lots. And that's this early morning, so.
We're pitched up here at RIAT and we're right on the runway. See?
Well, we're very warm welcome to you who've just joined us here. It's a real pleasure to see you, and it's just great to be back.
We have our little setup right here, just a tiny little tent and our few chairs. And then we've got people putting up bigger tents, even though it should just be a shelter. And we have the pavilion club behind us. In fact, no, I think that's the... maybe the Pilots Club, I'm not sure. But the runway is literally there.
It is forecast to get to around 27 degrees.
Okay, pet peeves. Pet peeves. When there's plenty of space, which there is, and trust me, guys, this thing goes all the way. And people insist on putting their tents.
In the service stations and of course other locations around the showground. Highlights today, just to help you with the rest of the children's activities. That's of course way above in addition to the
and then you get other people putting giant tents right in front of your view.
10:45 this morning. At 11:15 in the techno zone, Tim Keegan and Charles Duke, of course, they extremely well known.
Full of screaming kids.
We'll be sitting down to chat about space and young people's future in aviation, and that's going to be hosted by Carol Bowden at the techno zone at 11:15. Many of you will be wanting to pick up the Red Arrow's autograph.
What do you think?
Think about what?
At 12 o'clock.
What do you think about...
Red Arrows will be hosting a session there.
Yeah, well,
And,
personal space is not important
on the Inspire
to me.
stage, which is right next to the
I like people sitting on my...
representatives of the CIA.
Seriously, let's just sit on my knee. Sit on my knee. Look. Move this chair.
Having mentioned climate, that's something we're pretty keen on here as well, to ensure that we are as environmentally sound as possible. We urge you to basically reduce as much waste as you can, of course, and the carbon footprint. But if you please dispose of all your waste sensibly, then we will sort it out for you. Put all your rubbish in the bins and leave it to us. And nothing will go to landfill, and everything will be recycled as best
I hate people getting in my personal space. I know that's a bit petty, but there's lots of space. Just like...
Later on in the day,
I'm going to go inside the tent so you can see how close this guy is, privacy-wise.
And there's an engineering challenge.
Babe, open up the back. Right, open up the back of that. Look, this is what we have for privacy inside here to get changed. Watch this guy now. Here's our privacy now. Donovan's going to open the back up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We now have no privacy because he's literally right there. Yeah. There goes our privacy. Thanks, dude. Thanks a fucking bunch. That's what I'm talking about. There goes your privacy, there goes our privacy. And there's a giant field behind him, you can see. See that? You see that? You see that? Dad, say hi. Say hi. Having a good time? Yeah? And then we have this. Anyway, this is my final rant about the pitching thing. But you're supposed to have only sun shelters like we have. Just this little sun shelter. Just this little sun shelter. And like I said, oh no, what are they pitching now? Then we've got these people here.
Up the team rolls to left, you can see the iconic shape of the Hawk aircraft. The Hawk has been deployed out since 1976 and since 1979. The closure of the RIAT Quarter 100 of the rest of formation. Get yourselves ready for the colour change as Red 1 brings the formation around to the right. And let's go at 5. The red arrow! Red 4 and 5 all around the smoke of the rest of formation. Get yourselves ready for the colour change as Red 1 brings the formation around to the right.
I'm going to give him a proper scale version, what I see.
No,
This is at my eye level, so everyone can see what I see. All the way down there. What's it like down there?
Right down there. Guys, look at that one behind us. There's the osprey.
Oh jeez. I zoomed in.
Did you? It's a hot day, guys. Guys, describe your day to the vlog.
Hot, tired, fun, hot, hot, tiring and hot and hot and hot.
Favorite aircraft?
The ones that
That fly.
yeah.
So the one basically takes off, makes noise and fly. Okay, yours?
I don't remember what it was called, honestly.
What colour was it?
It was black.
Wasn't it Jill?
Jill was good though, yeah.
Jill's a
I think
helicopter.
it's the first one.
I'm not a fan.
Falcon. For me, always red. The Red Arrows did what they could today, even though they were limited on the team. But I don't know. What was your favourite?
Mine? Ooh, there we go. That was my favourite.
That is.
And probably the P-51 that's going to fly later, I think.
Yeah, I haven't decided yet. I don't
Too
know
far.
what's my favourite yet. There's too much to go through. I haven't decided. I don't know. There's the red arrows making their infamous red heart in the sky. And it is Sunday, so it's the final day. My terrible vlogging. That's the final day we're gonna get to see now. I'm in here for the shade, aren't we, Donovan?
We are.
We are indeed.
Because we got cooked and baked yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Grilled and sizzled and everything else. Ooh.
Anyway, I'm hiding out here today. Different spot. I'm actually at my tent today. Until next year, Red Arrows. It's emotional. So emotional damage. Nothing. Oh, there we go. It's so hard. I wish I had a really good camera to vlog with. I do. Me brushing my teeth. Hi guys. So your Brits do brush our teeth. You just naturally have manka teeth. You gotta be able to laugh at yourself. Wait for a jet to fly past so I look cool brushing my teeth. I'm allowed to brush my teeth with no bra on because I'm camping. I'm only saying that because someone in the comments is going to point it out. Plus I want you to look for views. Am I bad? Oh, you're so sweet. You'd say no. Wait. How's everybody's weekend gone? Hope you had a nice weekend. We've had some of the hottest weather. This week we're supposed to be 38 in the UK. You guys, I do not know how we're going to cope. We don't have that kind of weather here in the UK.
We're going to melt. We're melting.
No, I don't have. We don't. 38 degrees. We don't have that kind of weather here in the UK. Today is. What is it?
It's going to be 31, I think.
31.
We've got the breeze going, so.
Bacon. Sam, come here. The boy would not listen to me. Would not reapply sunscreen. Has sunscreen on. And that was in 27 degrees? 28 degrees
28.
yesterday.
Yeah.
These Americans and people from all over the world, not just Americans, I'm sorry, I know I have people, viewers from all over the world, are going to be laughing at that. Show me your neck, come here, turn around. It's terrible. Do not be ridiculous. Wear sunscreen. My girls were very sensible and let me smother them in sunscreen, and they're not burnt.
Just wet and comfortable.
Nor am I, as you can see, because I wore my sunscreen. Neither is Donovan, because he wore his sunscreen.
Exactly.
Always worse. Oh, that reminds me. I'm going to do a reaction to a song. And don't cheat, it's called the Sunscreen song. It's a song, actually, it might already be up before this vlog, or it'll be going up with this vlog. So nobody can copy me. It's written in my book. I wrote it down big in the book. My vibrator's going out. My toothbrush, I mean. I just spat on my trousers.
Oh, jeez.
My.
Can't take you anywhere.
Well. The water's warm. What?
No, I'm waiting for the red arrows to come over this way.
So, the sunscreen song. It's more of like a talking song. A lot of you might know it. I'm gonna say it. A lot of you all might know it. If you don't, it's like a talking song. But if you don't, you probably do know it. If you don't know it, please give it a listen. My reaction to the sunscreen song. It is not a first-time reaction because I've already heard the song, but I wanted you to hear it. So that might go up with this or before this. But let me know what you thought, or let me know what you think. Sunscreen song. Let me know. I really, really love that song. Such wise words. And bye, guys. Just in time. Okay, it's official. We have finally hit 36 degrees in the UK, and oh my goodness. In true Brit fashion? In true, what's this doing? In true Brit fashion, I'm melting! We're not built for this. We're just not. We're not. Guys, we're not built for this. You don't understand. Let me try and make myself look a little bit. This is the no makeup, legitimately no makeup, but a lot of sunscreen look. You know, girls usually come on camera and do the cute no makeup look, but secretly they've got makeup on. This is the no makeup, genuinely no makeup look. This is like oily sunscreen. I'm so oily. It's disgusting. This is the Nivea. Like my fringe, I could actually weld it to my head. So at least I have sunscreen on. Well, I feel sorry for the kids, because honestly the kids here are not equipped. They're just not equipped. They're not. They're sitting in the classrooms and they're allowed to have PE kits, but we don't have air conditioning. We don't. And they have to wear knee-high woolen, woolen socks. Yeah, our PE kits are knee-high woolen socks that come all the way to here. And they're so itchy and horrible, and they're not, they're hockey socks for field hockey, and they're not allowed to wear trainer socks, like sports socks, so they're just like, and they have to wear them pulled up, so it's like, what's the point? The girls said this morning, we're wearing for the girls they have to wear like a skort, it's a skirt, a pea skirt with shorts underneath, which is fine. But then they have to wear these socks that come up to here made of wool in this heat. Why? No! You could have at least just let them wear a pair of cotton socks, or like, anyway, I'm rambling on about nothing, but I just thought I'd include this in anyway. I know it's got nothing to do with anything. It's got nothing to do with the vlog. It's got nothing to do with anything, but I thought I'd include it anyway.
Got something to do with something.
It's got something to do with something somewhere. I'm British and we moan about the weather. There you go. That's what it's got to do with. That's what we Brits do. We moan about the weather. Allergies, weather, moaning. We love it. We do love it. We love it. We get all excited and then it arrives the day of the heat and then we're like, I can't do it. I can't do it.
It's so hard to feel like Satan's farted in your face. Hello. But what are we going to do? We're going out for a walk. Yes.
We're going to take a riverside stroll, that's it. I've got so much sunscreen on my lens. That's why the camera, halfway through this vlog, guys, the camera has been so terrible. It's because I have sunscreen on the lens and I've not had like my proper camera, so sorry about that. I enjoyed it anyway, you know, tis what it is, oh lord, oh this oil, oh my god, I need to stop complaining. I'm going. Okay guys, coming to the end of the vlog. Hi. We are leaving the campgrounds now. We have to grab down here. And I am mind blown because I've just found something at the garage that I've never seen before. Two of my favourite drinks combined, and it looks like it's imported. Dr. Pepper and cream soda. What? And I say it's imported because it's got a sticker on there. So yeah, I'm mind blown with that. I'm mind blown. So